Why, hello there. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make dust masks out of socks. Don't worry, these are clean. And all you need is scissors. So the first thing you want to do is find yourself a long sock. Works best for longer ones. Now I want to turn this sock into a rectangle. You want the longest piece as possible. So I'm going to probably cut my sock something like this. I want to make it into a rectangle. I'm going to cut this in like this. Next, I want to make holes for my ears. So this sock is almost like a rectangle. Now I'm going to cut this. It's about 1 inch and a quarter. Now I want to split this open. Now we have a mask. Fold this top part. And that's how we did make a mask. Now let's make one out of a black sock. The opening's on this side. I want to make one out of this piece. It's a little longer, gives me more space. Let's cut this into a rectangle. Now, I want to cut holes for my ears. About halfway down the sock. Now for the other side. Now I'm going to split this open. Now open it up. Now I probably want to fold this down a little bit just so it doesn't cover my eyes. Now let's try it on. Now, if you want to take this one step further, for cosmetic looks, you can trim down the corners to make it a little smoother on the corners. This will make it look better in public. Now, if you feel that your sock isn't giving enough filtration, you can add an extra layer of Kleenex. Adjust the size to cover enough for your nose. Okay, let's put this on. And that's how you make dust mask out of socks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Peace out. Why, hello there. And that's how